Okay, number 17, it wants secant, which is cosine flipped over. So we already have cosine. It's 5 over 6, so flip that for secant. 6 over 5. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do cotangent for 18. Cotangent is tangent flipped over. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Cotangent is adjacent over opposite. So cotangent is 5 over root 11. It's negative. And then get rid of the root. That's negative 5 root 11 over root 11 times root 11 is 11. So there's cotangent. All right, cotangent of 7 pi over 3. So pi over 3's, that's going 60 degrees. So if we start here at 0, that's 1 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, 5 pi over 3. And then back around is 6 pi over 3, which is 2 pi. 7 pi over 3 would be here. Draw that. Okay. So 7 pi over 3 has the same coordinates that 1 pi over 3 does, because this is exactly where pi over 3 is. So this is the coordinate 1/2 root 3 over 2. All right, cotangent is tangent's y divided by x. Cotangent would be x divided by y. This is your x, this is your y. So x divided by y is going to be 1/2 divided by root 3 over 2. When you divide by fractions, you're actually multiplying by a reciprocal. Or anytime you divide, you're actually multiplying by reciprocal. So we're going to say 1/2 times the reciprocal of root 3 over 2 is 2 over root 3. Well, diagonally, my 2's will cancel out. And so I have 1 over root 3, and don't leave the root on the bottom. So times root 3, that's going to give me 1 times root 3 is root 3, over root 3 times root 3 is 3. So cotangent of 7 pi over 3 is root 3 over 3. So if you see one of these, pi over 3's or pi over 2's or pi over 4's or root 3 over 2, or any of the unit circle radians, use the unit circle to find out where it is. Find where it is, and then just go by the coordinate that's in that same position. All right, so let's do number 20. So we've got to figure out where is negative 300 degrees, and then we'll look at the coordinate. Remember, negative direction is in the clockwise direction. So we start over here on the x-axis, and instead of going counterclockwise for negative degrees, we go clockwise. So this is negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, and then 30 more would be at negative 300. So this is actually in the same spot that number 19 is in. And the coordinate is 1/2 root 3 over 2. Cosecant, on the unit circle, cosecant is 1 over y. Sine is y, cosecant's 1 over y. So we're going to do 1 divided by root 3 over 2, which is the same thing as 1 times 2 over root 3. that gives me 2 divided by root 3 and get rid of the root that's on bottom. So we're going to do times root 3 times root 3. That gives me 2 root 3 over 3. So that is cosecant of negative 300 degrees.